Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.